Good boy. Good boy, Dusty. Good boy. Canter. Good boy. Canter. Oh, good boy though. Knocked it. Good boy though. I don't think he's as good on this rein as the other rein, because he didn't knock it on the last rein, but he did on this one. I think it's best if we try that rein again. Like literally, because he knocked it. And he never knocks it, but good boy. Canter. Good boy. And this side. Good boy. He didn't knock it that time, which is good. Good lad. I might turn that jump into an oxer because he's good at oxers. And yes, I thought he looked better without the, not because he looked better, but he's a lot better without the noseband. Oh, and by the way guys, this is day 3 and 4 because I didn't have time to do day 3 yesterday, so we were fitting it both in a video. I put up the oxer. I think I'll try it on his best rein first. Canter. Good boy. Didn't knock it. Say proud. Good boy. Now I think I'm going to try it on that rein. Canter. Oh, we didn't knock it down. He's really good. Good boy. That's all for today, guys. Bye. Dusty had to say his little goodbye as well. Bye, guys.